everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, CVS, you guys. I hate to say this, but I'm not happy with couponing at CVS anymore, just because a lot of you guys know exactly what I'm talking about, the CRTs. I've been getting the same 4 or 5, 6 CRTs like crazy. I don't know why, but this time the CRT is printed from the red machine and I got the instant coupons. So that is a plus. That is the first time since this whole fiasco started a month ago that I'm actually getting both of those. So I was excited about that. Then, yeah, I forgot what I was going to say, but I did send CVS an email. I know you guys said you called. I sent them a nice little email. I mean, it was nice, but I still am waiting for a response back. I said basically I want an answer from somebody and I don't want like an automatic email like they usually, you know, respond to you on Facebook or something. I basically explained to them what's going on, but will I get an answer back? Probably not. That's why I do not like customer service of CVS, but we will see. But I did get a couple things. It ended up becoming for free. It ended up becoming a moneymaker, so I was excited for that. So, yeah, so I found out Paparazzi was on sale. They actually changed the whole entire display. They actually changed the bottles. I don't think I have any at my desk. But they changed the bottles now to like more of this like... Anyways, so these are 2 for $5. Now there's also lotion that was also on the thing. This is hand, nail, and cuticle cream. So I got this because I wanted to try it. There's 4 different flavors for this, or scents, I call them flavors, but this was strawberry and vanilla, which I was pretty excited to try, and then I ended up getting this like mermaid charade nail polish. These are 2 for $5. You guys would pay $5 for this, but then you guys can receive a $4 extra care buck, making these $1. So I did that, but I also had a 3 off of 15 cosmetics. I got one this week and I got one last week, so I decided I'm going to use the one last week. Ooh, this smells really good. Oh, this smells really good. So I don't think this is a lotion. I don't know what this is. Let's just see. So it looks like it's a cream. It smells really good though. It's like a lotion. Oh, well, it says it's a hand cream, so it is a lotion. Oh, it smells so good. So, oh my god. Next time they have the paparazzi thing, I think I'm going to get more of that lotion because that is awesome. I like the way it feels. Like sometimes, you know, lotion's just like, ew, but I actually like the way that feels. But I have that 3 off of 15 cosmetic CRT, so I decided to get the Revlon nail polish. The Revlon nail polish is the only Revlon deal back, probably because everybody else did the other deal, so the nail polish is not as available. My Walgreens stopped selling the nail polish, but CVS still has a bunch of these. These were $6.99. I had a 3 off of 15 cosmetics, and then I had a $4 off Revlon CRT. So I ended up doing this 4 together. So this 4 together would be $11.98, okay? You get a $4 extra care buck when you buy 2 of the paparazzi, and you get a $4 extra care buck when you buy 2 of the Revlon. Then you guys can submit a $1 rebate and a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making them $1.98, or all these just 49 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. The nail polish I got is Saucy, and this one doesn't have a name. Oh, it's on the top. Hypnotic. So, got those in case you guys need to do that, but I'm pretty excited for the lotion. I'm actually going to keep this down here, so when I need lotion, I got it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I got the hauls. I'm so sick of hauls, it's ridiculous. I'm not a hauls person. I've been actually giving this away like crazy to my friends, and Graham's been bringing them to work. But these were $2.79. $2.79. I had a $1.25 off a 2 coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You would pay $4.33 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making them $2.33, or just $1.16 a piece if you guys need to do the hauls deal. Pens, you guys. We can't go wrong with pens. So these were $2.89 at my store. You would pay $2.89 for this, but then you guys can submit, or then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck back, making this just 89 cents. So these are the pens. I'm not the happiest with these pens. Like, these used to be the pens I use all the time, but I like the clickables. I usually go crazy when school stuff is on clearance and stuff, but you can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with 89-cent pens. Yes, and I know you could probably get them at the Dollar Tree, but yeah. Gold Bond. It's been a while since I've gotten Gold Bond. Now, these were $6.29 a piece. I used a $2 off coupon that we got in our inserts today. So I used a $2 off coupon and a $2 off coupon. I also had a 3 off of 10 lotion CRT. My digital one that I had clipped to my card from last week did not work. My physical one, he had to actually override it to come off. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. I did have problems with this CRT. But you guys would pay $5.58 for the both of this, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back when you buy 2 of them, making these just 58 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. And then I ended up getting the Dove shampoo and conditioner. Now these were 2 for $8. I had a 2 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts last week. You guys would pay $6 for both of these, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, and you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta and a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $2 or $1 a piece. So pretty good, decent deal. I've been getting Dove a lot lately. My grand total came to 74 cents. That's how much everything came out to be. I ended up using $29 worth of extra care bucks. I did have, with that 29, I had $10 of my pass that I have for their care pass. So technically I only paid 19 extra care bucks. With that 10 made it 29, but I did receive 19 back. So I basically got the same extra care bucks that I used. With Ibotta, I actually got $14 back. I needed one more rebate for their monthly where I needed like 36 rebates to get 10 bucks. I just needed one more. So I got that $10 bonus, and then I got $2 of the Dove and $2 of the Revlon. So my grand total technically came to be $3.26 moneymaker. I got everything for free, which I absolutely love. Going to be how bad, you know, it's shopping at CVS lately, and I know a lot of you guys are just getting just as frustrated with I am, but you know what? It's like part of me wants to give it up, but then I'm like, but I love couponing. It's my addiction. I just love it. So anyways, that's how everything's going with me right now. But I wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.